Sri Vipin Sareen, one of the trustees of Gramothan Foundation, Bangalore, visited the project area at DB Kuppe Gram Panchayat during 29th to 30th November 2012. He was accompanied by the officials Sri Ramachandra Rao and Dr. U.R. Madhyastha from Bangalore. The objective of the visit was to get a first-hand experience of the work going on in the project area, improving the quality of the outputs, assessing the potential of the products for market linkages, etc. While interacting with the in charges of banking, sustainable cultivation, health and income generation, the team also interacted with the beneficiaries of some of the programs launched during the past few months.
ज़्यादा फोकस किया थे और उनका इनकम कैसा बढ़ा है उसके बारे में सोच के ग्रामोत्थान में बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज तो उस समय हमें आईरिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी बायोमेट्रिक बैंकिंग के बारे में पता चला। कितना अकाउंट जमा हुआ, कितना पैसा निकाले और कैश बैलेंस कितना है,
स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट। हाँ, फॉर द मंथ इज इट? This is transaction for the month.
It shows
individual account withdraw या जमा।
you have withdrawn 500.
हाँ सर, और मेरा अकाउंट में बैलेंस कितना है।
ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ತನಕ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೀಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇದು
river, beautiful. We are not pumping water out of this.
We are pumping.
There.
We are pumping.
Very nice.
Good.
Everything is available.
Only Kerala can do this. Amazing. Farms together, make it collective, provide a protection for it, and grow organically.
ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಇದು ಬಂತು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಅದರಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿ ಬರ್ನಾಗೋಯ್ತು, ನಾವು ಬರ್ನಾಗೋಗಿ
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
What is right and what is wrong. What is wrong, we want to correct here. Once we have corrected here, then we go bigger and bigger projects. And we want to do this fast. We don't want to do it slow. Because
ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ
we want to make sure that they have a, how does she make her living? What kind, is she educated, qualified, has she done any training? One thing is for sure, we should start the tailoring. We will put 3 machines here, here how they will learn, and we will start making bags. Every week we have to come once, she's saying.
The team members shared their impressions of the visit while returning back to Bangalore.
really very good. This farming business, what is being done, farmers are very happy, and individual farmers, what they are doing on their own also, they found it is useful and gainful. What I find is there should be some reporting system, and the chart has to be made so that we can utilize 100% utilization to be done by proper planning. As far as cooperative society is concerned, really within a period of 6 months, really they have done a good job. And further reporting system and other accounting maintenance system can be improved on a daily basis by taking making changes in the software. It can be done.
which are the areas where we want to do work is already started, and at what stage is the work. Now, my first impression was that overall I must see what kind of villages are these. I had no concept of Hardis. I had no concept of villages where there are no clusters of homes. I was looking into basically 4-5 areas. One was what kind of farming we are doing, what can we do for women, what we can do for health, education, helping farmers with finances. So looking into all this, I have at least now a clear view and a fairly good impression. Not impression in my mind, but also I would say I'm very happy to see what has been done in the past, I would say few years, but I think more in the last 1 year or so. The collective farming, the organic farming is one of the brilliant ideas. And the good part is that not only as Gramothan, but from the farmer's point of view, they are feeling very happy that this has been done, and they are not feeling, from what I learned this morning, they are not feeling insecure. They have liked the idea, and they further like the idea that the next time we do will not be 18-20 acres but could be 50 acres and grow into 100 acres. So this is a very, very nice feeling. Training, or rather building confidence with farmers, mainly that they should come forward and say, please take our land, make it collective farming. We would also like to work here. Will happen. It is a matter of making few visits, talking to them again, and bringing that confidence into them that, man, your land is not going anywhere. You will have a fixed income. You will never suffer whether there is rain or drought or whatever it is. You will get your money, and we will help you grow from beyond that. You will never have less money to eat. The vermicomposite, what we are doing, is a brilliant idea. The guy is already happy that he has made in 3 months 3,000 rupees, even by selling worms and using the stuff in his own farming. Very good. And once we can give them the confidence that all that you produce we will buy, is excellent. So health is an area where I think a lot of work has to be done. Also because that makes women or helpers doctors overnight. But they have to reach a level where they start using medicines for first aid and second aid, where people also start feeling confident that, okay, they will get some remedy till they reach the hospital. Now, I think this is the area which, in my opinion, needs to be strengthened, and the person who is handling has to be made more confident. Today, she is doing it because she is involved. She has good intentions. All that is fine. But the confidence level in the villagers and in herself has to come. Area of education we have not really done much, in my opinion. And this is an area where we must spend time when we are here next time, because we have not really seen how in the school education itself we could add things which later on are useful to the girl who in such villages is tending to become a single woman, divorcee and neglected child. What we have thought of today, that we will put up sewing machines and start training them from 1st of December or January, could also be started at the school level. In the final years, after 7th standard, or say, start teaching them knitting, stitching, sewing, embroidery, crochet, all these kind of things, which they can, after passing 10th, they can start doing work themselves on that. You know, these are things which today we are looking at women who are in their 20s, 30s and 40s. We should start looking at girls who are in their teens. Boys might like to become tailors, there is nothing wrong in it. So, instead of pushing them into area which is handling cows, milk, cow dung and all that, we should start looking how we can give them a little bit of basic computer training, basic sewing machine training at the school level. So from Gramothon point of view, we don't have to go into education, but go into what they can do once they are 15 plus or 16 plus is the what I have in mind. Not touch the government education, or we can, if there is lack of English, we can add one class where we can teach them so that they can use the computer properly. This was my another thing. Overall, I feel that what we have done so far is we have set a stage. Basic road is made. I think it will take us maybe 6 months to a year to bring it to a second level. And then I think we don't have to really, as far as the villagers are concerned, their level of confidence will be very high. The way they are showing us, see, we are using this smokeless chula, already means that they are very happy with it. See, our guy who's handling the bank, I think Jagdish I would rate him amongst all probably the best boy. I would look at Jagdish, not that Subramaniam or Govindappa are any less, so don't get me wrong. But there's always one guy who's better in communication. And I think Jagdish is a very good communicator. Very good trainer himself. Very good learner also. So he is a guy who can become our very important systems man in the village. Also, apart from handling the bank, he can be a very good reporter to us. Overall, the other thing which we have emphasized on the women is not to go out and take interest at 5%. I think it's appealing to them, but they will still, because bank will not give them loan when they want to buy a little bit of gold or a little bit of utensils. So for that they will go. So we have to think of schemes where we can provide them smaller loans with not too much guarantee. Once we have a confidence about the person, we should think. But providing them loans to buy sewing machines or to do knitting is something for the women we have to consider very strongly. And I think once they get trained in the sewing machine business, operating of the sewing machine and getting trained by making some bags and all that, I think they will have a very high level of confidence. Overall, I think we are on the right path and we are doing a good